Welcome to Turf Talk. Today we'll be discussing rhizosphere dynamics within turf maintenance. This is the reason your lawn's health is decided below the surface, in a zone of soil called the rhizosphere that most homeowners never see. This thin band of soil, roughly 1 to 2 millimeters wide, clings to your grass roots and contains a biological powerhouse. A single gram holds somewhere between 100 million and 1 billion microbes. Bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes, and earthworms all functioning together in what scientists call the soil food web. Below ground, your grass roots are constantly exuding sugars, amino acids, and organic acids into the surrounding soil. Your plants feed between 10 and 35% of the carbon they fix from photosynthesis directly to these underground microbes, which means those microbes deliver nutrients your grass needs, suppress diseases, and build soil structure. This biological exchange happens invisibly beneath every lawn, but the result is that you control whether it thrives or collapses. You can help this system flourish, or you can work against it, and that's where the real leverage shows. The good news is the highest leverage fixes don't cost you money. Your mower is where to start, and here's why. Mowing height directly governs root depth. Taller grass means deeper roots, which is why you should set your mower to 3 or 4 inches and keep your blade sharp. Always return your clippings because they decompose quickly and contribute roughly 1 fertilizer application's worth of nutrients back into your lawn every year. But what nobody expects is that clippings do not cause thatch. Before we go any further, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It helps us grow so we can provide you with better maintenance tips for your lawn. Back to the video. Your watering strategy matters equally. Deep, infrequent watering outperforms frequent light watering every single time. But here's the catch. Frequent, shallow watering keeps roots near the surface and starves soil of oxygen. Targeting about 6 inches deep with dry down time between events trains roots deeper and builds real resilience. Test your soil with a screwdriver first, because if it resists, you have a compaction problem that needs core aeration. Spike aeration actually worsens compaction, which is why hollow tine core aeration is what you want instead. The kind that removes plugs and relieves compaction while improving oxygen and water infiltration. Do this in fall for cool season grasses or early summer for warm season, and leave the plugs on the lawn. Get a soil test from your local university extension. $10 to $30 well spent to learn your pH and organic matter levels. You want pH between 6 and 7 for optimal nutrient availability and microbial function. If your organic matter sits below 3 or 4%, compost top dressing makes real sense, ideally combined with fall aeration to build the microbiome while improving water holding capacity. Mowing height, clipping return, deep watering, core aeration where needed, and occasional compost top dressing form the foundation of a healthy rhizosphere. These practices cost you nothing or nearly nothing, and that's exactly where the system thrives. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you found helpful. See you on the next video.